What's up, guys? It's Christopher here from Cars Unlocked. I've posted a lot of Apple CarPlay videos and Android Auto videos, and one of the most common questions that I get is, do you need to be connected with your cord to use Apple CarPlay? Well, now with the newer vehicles, including Wi-Fi, a lot of them are coming with Apple CarPlay Wireless. So I'm going to go through the connections. We're in a 2021 Nissan Rogue and show you how to connect to your Apple CarPlay wirelessly. First thing you're going to want to do is connect your phone to the Bluetooth in the car. So I'm just going to quickly connect here for you guys. We're going to connect, add new device, go to our Bluetooth settings, and then we're going to find it here, my Rogue, and we're going to pair and connect to the vehicle. Now, to use the Android Auto and the Apple CarPlay, you do have to connect to the Wi-Fi. So here it's asking me, would you like to use Apple CarPlay? It's automatic right when I hit my phone. I'm just going to hit yes. And now it's going to come on here. On my phone, it's saying to use Apple CarPlay. So I'm just going to hit use Apple CarPlay on my phone. And it's going to take a minute to connect. And there it is, connected seamlessly. You can see there's no wires. I can put my phone down. I can charge it on the charging pad. I can put it in the cup holders. And here I can use the Apple CarPlay. I can check my Spotify. There I can use the phone, the maps, whatever I have on my Apple CarPlay syncs wirelessly to the phone. So hopefully this helps you guys get set up. Let me know if you have any issues and any questions. As always, put them in the comments. Have a great day.